he's a cute little boy. Oh, he threw up on me. Oh. Something to see you. Why did you do that? Why is there a doctor in the house?
There's a doctor next door.
Let's go. He's not breathing. He's not breathing. No.
Move,
You can't
move,
move
move.
this way. No.
Move. Your son.
No. He's okay.
Maddie,
He's alive.
no, he's not.
Okay.
No, he's not.
He's just sleeping. He's just sleeping.
He passed away?
No.
Yes.
No. He's just sleeping. Wake him up. Wake him up. Gone. What was that?